Life-changing 3D prints you need to make. Check out this useful 3D print. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a book. But it's not any book. No, this is a special book. So what you do is you slide the top off right here, and it's a hidden compartment for your stash. So you go ahead and put your valuables in there. Everything you want to stash away. And then you slide the top back on. Now what I love about this is you could print it in any color, and it's super easy to print. Then you just slide it into the bookcase. As always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link in my bio.